Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel and Subtech. This is Nadimul Haq. Today I will show you how to VMware Workstation installation, and when you VMware Workstation installation, you face a error message. You cannot properly installation VMware Workstation. So I will show you how to solve this problem. Okay viewers, now we will start the video. I am VMware Workstation run as administrator. Yes. Now you can see VMware Workstation installation process start. Now we see interface VMware Workstation. When you are installation, you see obviously this interface, then you click the next button, check the box I accept the terms in the license agreement, and then you click the next button, then next button click, then next button click, again next button click, then you can installation button press. Now viewers, installation process is now running, started. Okay viewers, when we are installation VMware Workstation Pro, we can see this type of error message. Here's write an error occurred while attempting to create the directory. When you are this kind of message, you will be solve, and I show you how to solve this problem. First of all, you go to search option, you type Windows Security, then you click this option, then you click virus threat and protection, then you scroll your interface and you click manage settings. When this you see interface, you just off some of option, the real-time protection. Here you just off this option. Yes. Cloud delivery protection off. Yes. Automatic sample submission, this option obviously you off. When you are off these three kinds of option, then you can go your main interface, then you can try retry option. You obviously click retry button. Then viewers, our VMware Workstation normally installation process start. For a completing installation, we are waiting few minutes. We can see our VMware Workstation Pro setup installation process running. Viewers, we can successfully this problem solve. Then we click finish button. Viewers, we are solve this problem, this process. Viewers, I think these tricks are very important for you, because when we are installation VMware Workstation, we face this problem. The problem solved by this way. Thank you, viewers. Thanks watch for this video. If this video help you, you obviously subscribe my channel and like and share. Thanks for watching.